What we have next is a Harley-Davidson 1999 FLHRC Road King Classic in colors Vivid Black and Flames. We're here, so we're going to check the miles. 35,067 as of right this second. Bike's in great shape. Not a lot of miles on it for a 1999. Previous owner took great care of it, as did Jamie in our detail department, making it look like this. If you haven't ever ridden a Road King, don't pass up this opportunity for a test ride. I think they're great, and I'm curious what you think. We're open 7 days a week at North County Indian Motorcycle in San Marcos. Come on down. Or over. Or up.